catching feelings, baby. You give me feelings. You give me feelings. You give me feelings. I just keep me satisfied.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're not a new subscriber, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to put on a synthetic lace front. This is it right here. It's 13 times 6. Not 4 times 4, not 5 times 5. 13 times 6, y'all. So, I'm going to show y'all how to install this. Let me stop talking and let's get into this video. But before I even get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. And yeah, let's get to it. But this is the hairline. It's a given. Y'all, it's giving egghead. I already slick my baby hairs down, my edges, with edge booster. Sponsor me. Now I'm gonna spray the ball cap with lovee spray. So, I'm gonna start putting the glue on. So, I'm gonna do like 3 layers of glue, and then I'm gonna put the lace on. So, y'all just gonna watch me do that. That it's done. So now I'm gonna cut it. So I'll come back to you when I'm done. Okay y'all, so I get back and do my edges. edges, y'all. I don't really know how to do edges, but it's whatever. But yeah, just giving scalp. Y'all, it's really not giving scalp. From a distance, it's giving scalp, okay? Y'all, this will be the end of this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Comment down below more videos you want to see in 2022. And yeah. Bye, y'all.